Oh my God. Do a little quick caption and then we could post.
Okay, medium and light coffee.
That's it, thank you.
Yes, sir. 248. I remember getting coffee from Burger King before, like years ago.
Here's the coffee. I got a vanilla iced coffee. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, Burger King. Because I really did not feel like making any coffee. The best part, it was only one person in the line this morning. Now, if I had gone to McDonald's, that jump would have been bumping. Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the next day. I'm just in my office. Slash guest room. If we ever have guests. Well, I'm not gonna be screwed, but anyway. Checking some emails. I got an email from a company that wanted to work with me. Everything was green lighted except for them paying me, right? And then somebody else from the company emailed me the same spiel. Like 2 days later. 3 days later. What? She was like, oh yeah, we're working on that. We'll be in touch in 3 days. And then the whole thing started over again. So I'm confused with another person. Maybe I should just email them back. I be playing around with my camera too much because I be changing shit and I don't be knowing how to change it back. Anyway, what was I saying? I'm gonna do content today. I need to film for Instagram. So you guys are gonna watch me do that. I need to clean this room. I will show y'all. I mean, y'all gonna see it. It look bad. It look terrible. Literally, I've been preparing for Halloween. So every Amazon package that I've received as part of my Halloween costume is like spread out here. Recent purchases spread out here on the bed. Jody got some clear shoe boxes to put in his man cave. His old shoe boxes spread out here. Like, it's a mess. So I need to clean this up and then we're gonna film content. What? Content. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going real today with these shoes right here. Aren't they glorious? These are the women's Jordan 1s. And the denim, oh, they feel so good. Like, these shoes are fire. Okay, so I want to do 2 reels. I want to do just like a showcase of the shoe. And then I want to do an outfit, like a look. Yeah. So I know where I'm gonna film just like the shoe by itself reel. So I'm gonna go, I wish there was more light in there, but I guess it's okay. I'm gonna film it in the garage in Jody's man cave. Yeah, so let's go. I got my shoe. Oh, right? This should be fairly simple. So I'm gonna film me making the reel, right? Hopefully it comes out okay. Okay, I need my hands for this. I'll be right back. So, you need a tripod, for sure. The camera that you're filming on. This tripod I got from Amazon, of course. Okay, now the type of reel that I'm doing, I just need shots. And then I'm just gonna randomly move stuff around and then I'll put it all together in editing. So. Cause I got big deals and I got little things, got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little thing, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, I just wanna say perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so we're back. Video was literally 3.5 minutes. A little bit longer than I would like to take because you really don't need that much footage to do it real. Okay. For something like this anyways. Okay, let's share my screen. So I already have my song selected that I want to use. My strong opinion, this is the kind of stuff you need a pen for. What I'm trying to go for is going to be very kind of twitchy. I can't really think of another word to use in order to say what I mean, but it's kind of like twitchy. So in order to do that, you need short random clips that are not completely in sync. That makes sense. When we pull up, you know it's we pull up, I'm gonna shut down, I'm gonna shut down. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it. And I'm just gonna keep on editing. This is gonna take a minute to get what I want. And then because I already took a picture, then that means I already have a cover, so. Woo. Okay, I had to like re-edit that because it was not going how I wanted it to. I'm just gonna put this right here. We're gonna center. Let's see if there's any fonts in here. Ew, no. I don't like them, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just gonna shrink it a little bit, shrink-a-dink, just like that. I'm gonna put it in a corner for this one, and then I don't want it to play the whole time, so let's just edit cover because I want to pick my own picture. And then basically we done. Okay, that took like 30 minutes to do. But yeah, we done. Do I want this on my profile? Do a little quick caption and then we could post. I'm probably gonna post it tomorrow though, so I don't know, we're gonna see. Okay, I have to make a fit video, so I'll be back. Today drained me. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's been stressful. Okay. So something is up with my internet and it's causing a problem. Yeah, I just can't risk waiting for more footage in order to post because, like I said, something is wrong with my internet. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hopefully it was informative and I explained things properly. I hope you guys enjoyed the actual, you know, like the behind the scenes of me creating this reel. I wish it was more, but you know, the internet has other plans. So hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.